I'm killing the idea of sex for
Yeah.
people the way I am in Seychelles. Hindu Sarkar was much more personal in terms of the way I had to go about preparing for it and everything. In fact, I love love stories, like hardcore love stories. I love rom-coms. As an actor, मेरी पूंजी मेरे जिंदगी के experiences हैं. As Imran said, how cautious can you be? You know, also I'm an actor. I'm not always in the capacity to question an overall script.
You as well, I think, it's very difficult to slot you. And with 4 more shots, please, you're becoming this thinking man sex symbol. Now you're coming up with Criminal Justice season 2, where you are as
I'm killing the idea of sex for people the way I am in Seychelles.
No, that's not true. Ahana, please back me up. We think of Kirti, when we think of sex.
Only that. Thanks, guys. Thanks. I'm glad you remember me. अपने ख्यालों में याद रखना types. Faridun, please continue. These girls are not going to shut up.
Kirti is blushing.
Look at how Kirti is looking. My goodness.
She's looking like a sex symbol today.
Exactly. No thinking man. This is the looking woman. Looking woman sex symbol.
Do you feel that maybe women can segregate better in terms of that what exactly they're looking for in a relationship, maybe more than men? Maybe women tend to compartmentalize maybe more better. That this is.
I think women.
They don't want to mess up things in their life generally.
Women can be smarter about it, yes,
exactly,
compared to men. I think so. But also women, I think. Again, one of those mindsets we have, that women find it very difficult to accept that the reason why they want to have an extramarital affair is to just have good sex. For them, the physical need for another partner, the need for another partner for their physical satisfaction is somehow, it's like they almost can't come to terms with it. It's almost like, they might try and hide it with other things.
Like emotions and everything.
Yeah, but a lot of times maybe it's just pure sex that they want. Like for me, Uri, I come from a defense family, and for me, Uri was a decision which was I think more personal than professional. Like I loved the idea of playing a flight lieutenant and playing this character of Seerat Kaur. But because I come from the defense, because I know the situation of our Jawans, I have actually been to very close to the LOCs, and I've spoken to them and all of that. I'm much more aware of their condition than probably a regular person in the country is. So for me, it was a mix of, coming from a defense background, having known their story a little better than everybody else, plus the surgical strike. It's something that has actually happened, And for me, it was just it was a feeling of pride. It was a feeling of patriotism that I kind of wanted to bring to the film, and I think as a story it kind of brings that. Yes, there have been discussions in terms of being jingoistic and all of that, but I think as Imran said, how cautious can you be? Also I'm an actor. I'm not always in the capacity to question an overall script. I can just to a great extent, I can either choose to be a part of it or be like not be a part of it.
What is one thing that annoys you the most about boys?
I think boys somehow can grow up to be very attention seeking, like very needy and very attention seeking, which is like.
All right.
And the fact that if you really like a girl and you want to go out with her or sex with her or whatever, just I think girls always prefer men being direct. So please be direct and don't try and be cheesy. Don't use those stupid lines and just
don't use euphemisms.
But some people like that.
Kirti has everything: looks, talent, cuteness, hotness. Wanted to see her in a hardcore romantic film. Sometimes I really don't understand why such actresses don't get their due. What the hell are filmmakers actually looking for?
They want to see you in glam roles, Kirti.
They want to see me in a romantic film, sweetheart. Yeah. And I would actually love to. In fact, I love love stories, like hardcore love stories. I love rom-coms. So yes, I think it must be on its way. I have given this thought out too much to the universe. So I think maybe this is a sign. But yes, I would love to be doing some of these films. And thank you for. Don't worry, and I just want you to know that we are getting our due. Everyone sitting here, everyone's going to get their due sooner or later. So don't worry about it. Sub, all is well.
Following statements, yes or no. Have you ever flirted with your friend's boyfriend?
Friend's boyfriend? Yes.
Have you ever watched adult films before turning an adult, that is before 18?
No.
Only after 18?
Much after 18. Much after 18. एक चीज जो बहुत अच्छी हुई है मुझे हमेशा I mean I've always felt that Bollywood has always had this kind of monopoly over everything else. Exactly. You know, and they've been like the big daddy of this whole thing. And जब आपकी monopoly होती है तो आप you take a lot of things for granted, you know. And with OTT coming in the picture from the last 2 years or so more now, Bollywood को भी एक अपने आप को reinvent. It has pushed Bollywood to reinvent itself, to really rethink about हम जा कहाँ रहे हैं. मतलब, you know, maybe change their business models or change the kind of content they are coming up with, do whatever, but OTT has like woken them up. क्योंकि आप, as I said, आप बहुत comfortable हो जाते हैं अपनी space में जब आप खुद राजा होते हैं.
If you can describe the following people in one word. Amitabh Bachchan.
Legendary.
Deepika Padukone.
Padmavati.
Oh, that's interesting. Irfan Khan.
Quirky.
Okay, Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
Never met him, but I think grounded.
Grounded. Okay, that's interesting.
If you have a doubt that your husband is cheating on you, how would you verify it?
I think by confronting my husband. Best way, just go direct.
Pink or Indu Sarkar, which performance of yours is your personal favorite?
Indu Sarkar was much more personal in terms of the way I had to go about preparing for it and everything. So yeah, Indu Sarkar. But Pink was a super powerful film and role for sure. Everything that I have experienced in my life, of course, comes to use. That's my what do you say? मेरी पूंजी वो है. As an actor, मेरी पूंजी मेरे जिंदगी के experiences हैं. और अगर मैं उसको something like acting मैंने use करूँगी तो क्या करूँगी? In fact, I personally feel that आप as an actor, as an artist, आप theatre में या जो training लेते हैं वो अलग बात है. But आपकी जो गहराई है as an actor, आप जो आपकी डेप्थ आपके काम में दिखती है, that actually only comes from how much you have experienced life and how sensitively and closely have you experienced life.
Your opinion on the following things. CBFC.
It's getting better.
Aggressive marketing campaign.
Too much to handle.
Fashion policing.
So unnecessary.
Online trolling.
Get a life.
Get a life. Okay.